Presenting ASUS TUF Dash F15 2021 gaming laptop in the color Eclipse Grey. This ASUS laptop features the powerful 11th generation 3.1 GHz quad-core Intel Core i5 processor that has 8 threads and 8 MB of cache memory. The processor also supports turbo boost speed of up to 4.4 GHz. This gaming laptop comes with pre-installed Windows 10 Home with lifetime validity and MS Office Home and Student 2019 edition. You will also get McAfee antivirus with 1-year validity and 1-month subscription to Xbox Game Pass. This ASUS gaming laptop boasts a whopping 3200 MHz DDR4 8 GB of RAM, which is further upgradable to up to 24 GB. You will get 4 GB GDDR6 dedicated NVIDIA GeForce VRAM that allows crystal clear gaming graphics and lag-free durational gameplay without any issue. The RAM also supports ROG Boost up to 1585 MHz. The laptop has an onboard 512 GB of SSD storage that offers enough space for loading all your favorite games. The laptop runs on a lithium polymer battery that provides up to 16.6 hours of power backup. This gaming laptop flaunts a 15.6-inch 16:9 Full HD display that has a resolution of 1920 x 1080 pixels and an anti-glare panel that has a refresh rate of 144 Hz and comes with adaptive sync. There are 2 speakers with 4 cutouts that offer a loud and immersive audio experience. It lets you enjoy the full depth of DTS-X ultra high fidelity audio. The laptop has an easy upgrade design that simplifies system memory and storage upgrades. This gaming laptop has 5 heat pipes that draw warmth away from the CPU, GPU, VRM and VRAM and dissipate it quickly through 4 heat sinks and fan outlets to keep component temperatures at optimum levels. The self-cleaning design along with the 2 end-blade fans removes debris from the cooling system to ensure full functionality for the long haul. The laptop features Ethernet, HDMI, 3.5mm audio, USB 3.2 Gen 1 and Thunderbolt 4 ports. The laptop has built-in Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity. The box contains the laptop, AC adapter, user guide and manuals. This laptop comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.